Okay, hey, in this week, let me get real with you. My weekly TikTok live stream, which is happening tonight in a Singapore local time, right? At 1 a.m., which is a Sunday morning here in Singapore. And for my dear South African followers, that will be around 7 p.m. in the evening for you guys. Okay, so what's up for this week? What are the updates for this week? Will be a very important, right, update about, as an affiliate marketer, you do not want to get yourself, right, while you are promoting, marketing, and selling some other people's products, that you get yourself involved with a scandal. And in fact, right, in this year alone, right, in a neighboring country in Malaysia, I'm based in Singapore, and my neighboring country, right, in Malaysia, it's already the eighth, right, scandalous about affiliate marketing, right, about affiliate marketer involved in a scandal while attempting to market other people's products. And this kind of when this kind of thing happens, right, and normally it involves a large percentage of it about the marketer having like greed, too much greed, while making that kind of income, that kind of online income, that kind of commissions that causes this. And when this kind of thing happens, it is a lose-lose for everybody. The affiliate marketer themselves for losing the trust, reputations, and its long-term damage, right? And the income that they make is very likely they will be penalized by the authorities and they have to cough it out 10 times or even 100 times more what they have made previously because of this kind of non-compliance, right? And this round, this scandal is more of a cheating kind of scandal. Okay, right? Slightly different from the others. Like the earlier one is about the skincare scandal, which is the affiliate marketer, right? Also being penalized. And the other losing party would be the consumers like you and me. All right. So not only you don't get paid for what you pay for, and in the end you have nothing because the promise, right, goods that you actually thought that you're paying for, and for this instance it's actually a very high price type of products, it's a gemstones, right, and it turns out to be actually not genuine ones, right, from the earth, but more like a man-made type of gemstones, right, and so it becomes a cheating incident. So not only you lose, right, what you actually paid for in terms of the money that you forked out to pay for it, right? At the same time, what is even more valuable to you would be the time lost in dealing with such kind of unnecessary inconvenience, right? So that inevitably it will cause you the stress. Supposingly, when you are shopping online, right? Actually, quite a lot of times is to satisfy, right, our emotional needs, right? And it went opposite ways. So while you are thinking that you're going to have a pleasant shopping experience, you are going to bring, in some memorable moments with all these products that you purchase, but end up you lose your money, you lose the time, and you also get unnecessary stress from dealing and handling such kind of problems. So you see, don't underestimate. Either you are a provider, which is for this kind of instance, is an affiliate marketer, right? You're a provider, right? Attempting to create multiple sources of income online. Whether you are the provider or you're the consumer on the opposite side, right? Don't underestimate, right, about the credibility of the source of the products that you are trying to represent or you are trying to buy. So this is why in almost every week of my live stream, I brought up this aspect, right, for you to consider either you are a provider or a consumer when you come online, right? That you definitely has to be wise in choosing the brands that you are trying to represent or you are trying to buy. So the credibility of the products, the source is so important. So in that case, is how do you help yourself to identify, right? What are the credible, right, sources? So the short answer would be it would be best that it is very open from the brand that they promote the culture, right? Their culture, right, in producing the products, right? It's not just entirely about profits and gains, right? For example, I partner with brands that their culture, right, and their mission statement, their product philosophy is about being a force for good. So this is the kind of culture that we are talking about here. Yes, it is running a business. It is running a business. So we know this. We are not doing charity. There is a profits to be made. However, it's supposed to be ethical, right? So when you are coming from that angle, right? So you are driven by manufacturing and launching, right, products, right, that has, okay, the attributes of contributing goodness to the world, right? That means they are giving first values that can be long term rather than taking from you. That means No, I don't care about the long-term value, but I'm just going to profit from you, which is what is happening with all these, having all these scandals with affiliate marketing. So if you want to gain more insights, right, into all this, right, in greater detail, may I invite you to join me in my live stream, right, today. Read the captions for the exact timing, right? And at the same time, I will give you other updates, especially on the broader subject of digital marketing, right? And digital marketing, in fact, is an evergreen business skill set. So long as there is a continuous uptrend of the digitalization plus the AI, right, it will not go outdated. It will be very, very useful for you and me. I'll be covering the broad subject about digital marketing and how these business skill sets, when you master it, how it can help you in the digital space, right? In creating multiple sources of online income, however, in a credible way. You know how to identify legit, proper, and official, and even long-term and scalable type of business opportunities so that you won't end up that you are working hard to build something, but it doesn't last. You do not want that. So in my live stream, I will discuss intensively with you the various aspects of how do you identify this kind of legit, proper, and official business opportunities. I will also give you some updates about unoriginal content violation in the TikTok, about TikTok account verifications, and last but not least will be TikTok business features in having a virtual assistant which is AI powered in your chat to help you in generating leads for your business. So if this is already very comprehensive and usually will bring us to 3 to 4 hours of this kind of content sharing to you. So I look forward to seeing you. Don't forget to read the captions below.